Dear student, good morning. Today I will teach you fifth chapter. It is poem Zoo Manners. In this poem, poet wants to tell us that what are the good manners when we visit the zoo and how to treat the innocent animals. We must treat them friendly. Let us try to understand what poet wants to tell. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. When you visit the animal zoo, be careful our activities, whatever you do, when you say or do anything. Firstly, you must think, after that you do or say anything. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his novel's bum. When should not to make fun about to camel's hump? Because camel humps help him in difficult times. Hump stores water and food for urgent time. So camel have so much fun about his novel bum. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzees. He thinks he is as wise as you or me. In look of chimpanzee are ugly. Don't laugh at them because he thinks that he was wise as like you or me, because chimpanzees are very intelligent animal. All of you know. And the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. About when we talk about penguin in this paragraph, strutting means to walk proudly. In the sense when you see or visit lake, we see the penguins walks very proudly in the lake or sea or in water. They understand which that kind of remark or comments we are passing for them. Treat them as well as they do you, and we will always be welcome at the zoo. In the last poem, poet wants to tell us that when we go to the zoo, treat them as well as they do with us. Means whatever behave we like, we can also behave them, and we will always behave good. In this way, when we visit to the zoo, the animals meet happily, and in this way the zoo animals always be welcome to us in the zoo. So in this poem we know how can we behave with animals when we meet in zoo, and these are good manners. So be careful about when we visit the zoo, and don't misbehave any animal or chimpanzee or penguin. In this kind we understand the poem.